How to detox the liver, raisin water cleanse and detox. Hi guys, welcome to Healthy Bodies. In today's video we have a very easy way for you to cleanse and detox your liver using just two simple ingredients: water and raisins. Raisin water is a great home remedy because it boosts certain biochemical processes in the liver which can help force toxins out of your bloodstream. And if you follow this treatment for just 4 days, you'll see that your digestion will improve and you'll have more energy. And raisin water also has other health benefits. It's great for your heart, can help get rid of bad cholesterol, can lower your triglyceride levels, and can also stop constipation or an upset stomach. Raisins are full of vitamins and minerals and are also one of the best natural sources of antioxidants. And this is because raisins are dried grapes, fruits which are full of powerful bioflavonoids. And these help keep the body safe from damaging free radicals and sickness. And raisin water has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for many different heart and liver diseases. But how can raisin water detox the liver? Well, the liver is a very important organ. It cleans the blood in our bodies by removing toxins and heavy metals that accumulate and make you sick. However, occasionally the liver can become overwhelmed by bad diet choices such as eating too many fatty foods and bad daily habits. So giving your liver a helping hand with a raisin water detox can really help. Drinking raisin water helps clean the bloodstream and keeps the liver working properly. It also aids digestion by regulating stomach acids. And guys, just before we explain how to actually make raisin water, if you're liking this video, why not smash that like button? So, how do you make raisin water? Ingredients: 400 millilitres of water and 150 grams of raisins. Place the water in a saucepan and bring to the boil. Then put the raisins in the water and simmer gently for a further 20 minutes. And then leave the raisins in the water and allow them to soak overnight. In the morning, strain the water from the raisins and warm the water up and drink it. And always drink on an empty stomach immediately after you wake up. And then wait 30 minutes before eating any breakfast. And if you follow this routine for 4 days, you should start to notice a real difference a couple of days after you start drinking the raisin water. So we hope you found this information useful. Until next time, goodbye.